Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and this video is gonna be kind of like a quick short review of something that I just got on the mail. But before I show you, please go ahead and consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on, and that way you don't miss any future content. And if you haven't seen my affiliate links below, check them out. That's a way to support the channel. Other than that, let's get right into it. So I went ahead and bought something on Amazon, and it's gonna be actually for this car. That's my Mitsubishi Lancer. It was my wife's, but I've been using it for a while now. And it's not necessarily a car related video, so stay tuned, don't leave yet. Because what I bought today is a rack. And you might be asking yourself, why do you get another rack? Because I've seen a rack on that car before, and I've seen a rack on your Outlander as well, which is actually the same rack on the same on the two vehicles, but this one is a different rack. And the only reason I got this rack is because if you saw one of my previous videos where I installed a hitch on this car actually comes with a 1 1/4 receiver. My Outlander has a 2-inch receiver, which I have a video about this one as well. The Ram also has a 2-inch receiver, which is still a truck, but I have a 2-inch receiver. And to accommodate this bike rack on this car, which is, by the way, this is a 4 bike rack. Yes, space for 4 racks. I have to use the extender, and it's a hassle because yet I have 2 logs, 2 of these rattle-free things right there, and it just makes it way longer. So my new rack for this car is gonna be a 1 1/4 direct fit, and this is an Allen brand, and it comes with 3 bike capacity. And according to this manual, it has a capacity of 100 pounds, which is great because my e-bike is about 50 pounds and this one is 30 pounds, so that's 80 pounds. And then another small bike, that should do it. And I'm most likely never gonna have my e-bike and my other bike together, so it's either gonna be either or. Most likely, the only reason that I got this is for when I ride from my house to my mother-in-law's house, my wife can take the Lancer, and then I can just bring the bike right back. Now, I did get this from Amazon, and I'll leave affiliate links in the description below, but I got it from the Amazon warehouse, and I only paid like $57, which is a steal, because usually they're around $83. And I'll leave an affiliate link as well below, so make sure you check it out if you're interested in doing so. And the good thing about this one, it is a 1 1/4 receiver, but it does come with a 2-inch adapter, which is really heavy duty. So this thing is compatible if you want to use it on 1 1/4 or 2-inch receiver with no issues. And like I said, it's a 3 bike carrier. It is super easy to set up because it didn't come assembled already, but it did came in brand new. So highly recommended. Now the moment of truth, let's put the bike in there. There's one bike, my e-bike, the heaviest bike, and it does come with those straps right here. I usually just carry extra Velcro straps just to make it more secure, but should be good enough. And there you go, with 2 bikes. So super pleased with this product. So that's it for this one. I just want to make a quick short video and show you what I got and if I recommend this product. And yes, I will definitely recommend this product, especially if you have a 1 1/4 receiver on your vehicle. Most likely if you have a small sedan, you're gonna have a 1 1/4 inch receiver. Many small SUVs have the same thing. Or if you buy a hitch receiver for your car, pretty good chances if it's a small vehicle is gonna have a 1 1/4 inch receiver. So this is a great alternative instead of buying the adapter, which it works great, but there's more room for it to wobble around. So very pleased with this one. And again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this product, check the affiliate link below. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails.